Welcome to the Gateway24 client processing tutorial. From the main menu, select My Clients, and then from the client list, double click on the client you wish to process transactions for. The client processing screen will automatically import anything that is outstanding, and we can see here we have a sales tab, a purchase tab, and a cash in and payments tab. Sales documents, we have everything displayed with a status of new. If we select these and then select the process document to run the validation on the data included in these, select OK. The system has come back and it is indicating that the first invoice is valid, but the second invoice is invalid. And we can see here in the messages that the master customer is not present. iInvoice.it customers will be creating new customers and new suppliers on a regular basis. Your Gateway24 system needs these customers and suppliers, as does your Sage system, to be able to process transactions for. So Gateway24 has indicated this, and it's got a nice feature whereby if you select create customer, it will automatically create the customer for you, saving any effort or manual data entry, and it will apply the default ledger accounts for posting. We simply select save and close. Yes, we wish to reprocess, and OK, and it is now returned as valid. If we go to purchase documents, select the two purchase documents and process. OK. Again, here I've done another example whereby the supplier doesn't exist, and we can see here master supplier not present. If we then select create supplier, save and close, reprocess, yes, and OK, it is now valid. So again, we've now created customers and suppliers in the Gateway24 system. When we then go to transfer the data to Sage, it will automatically create the new customers and the new suppliers in the Sage application too. If you go to cash in and payments and select transactions we wish to process, again process, OK, both have come back as valid. The final step is, after you've processed everything and validated it, you need to transfer it to the accounting system. There is an interim stage where all the transaction data is held, and that will be included in the next tutorial, Gateway24 to Sage transfer. So if we simply select the accounting button, you can see here that these two have disappeared and are now awaiting transfer to Sage. The same in purchasing, select the accounting button and we'll transfer that data. And finally in sales documents, select the accounting button, and again we've transferred that data. Now you may have noticed that in cash in and payments here I am only displaying new. We can filter very quickly in any of the tabs to display any new documents, anything that's recorded, which means that it has been processed to Sage, or simply new. And if we select here, we can clear it and we can see a list of all transactions. It's a handy way to manage any new transactions and filter out stuff that you don't need to process again. And that concludes the tutorial.